Today I will show you how to throw a cast net without using your elbow and without using your mouth. So first, coil the net. Then take the top piece with your hand and pull it up. And until the point, like what we said, arm height. So right here, about arm height. Then you take this bead up and then put it over your thumb. Alright. And then over here, we'll take some beads onto your left arm. And then take this strand right here, over here. And then with this, move only the strand up at about right there. And lift up the net. And at the back, it should look just like this. And now for the shot. We will turn, and then when we spin, make sure the net spreads out, and then we release. So it should go like this. Back up. Ready? Today I will show you how to throw a smaller cast net, but without using elbows or mouths, and can throw very far. So first, coil the wire, and then get the core up to your hand, and then stop right below your waist. And then pull one of these up into your thumb. Then take a group of beads on your right. And then pile them up. And then put this at your thumb, holding the strand in the cord. And then take this rest and group it up into a pile, and then you get ready to throw. And when you throw, make sure you throw like this kind of way, at about a tilted angle. So it's gonna go like this. And make sure to aim your right hand at the target, and then spin when it's right at the